Bumped into Dan this morning at the campground. I haven't seen him since entering the Great Basin quite a while ago. So it's interesting who I'm bumping into. Just pointing out, this is Route 114. I came through here on my first coast-to-coast trip, 2013. Came zipping through and on down. It's just crazy to think like 9 years from that point, I'll be coming out this road, you know. Back on trail, man. Or a road, I guess. Okay, first pass of the day. It's Carnero Pass. And weird climb. That was kind of hard for me. I don't know if I was like out of gas or what, but I don't know. I stopped quite a few times and I don't know. I just didn't have it for that one, or the grade was like a little too steep for me. But anyway, I'm here, thank God. And it should be all downhill to La Garita, where I'm gonna get lunch, then push like 18 miles to Del Norte. Maybe 17, 19 miles down. Loving it up here at 10-1. Woo! Man, love the Rockies. It smells exactly like Skull Peach out here. Wow, this is so cool. Wow. My God. Southern Colorado, man, I'm telling you. This is really, really cool. Great to be entering the San Luis Valley. This is the second time I'm biking across it. First time was in 2013. My coast-to-coast trip from San Francisco to the Outer Banks. I rode across here, and I think we stealth camped in the Great Sand Dunes National Park that night. I think these are some of the darkest skies in Colorado. Hopefully tonight I can keep up my cowboy camping record and lay under the stars again for like, I think it's the 8th cowboy camp. Really looking forward to that, and looking forward to pulling into Del Norte. I got picked up hitchhiking one time by a guy named Greg, and check him out on YouTube. I think it's Two Crazy Trolls. They bike toured off-road in like South America a couple of years ago, so check them out. And he spoke very highly of it, so I'm looking forward to getting in town and seeing what's going on, and I don't know, coming up with some food. About 11 miles outside of Del Norte. Starting to get into that Indiana Pass climb. This is like the last place to grab water before there's like some tent sites up there. I'm not going to try to clear the pass tonight. It'll be like a first thing tomorrow morning kind of deal, but so I'm just grabbing some extra water now. I do have about 2 liters on the bike, but the last 2 nights have been pretty tight on water, and that makes for tight mornings, which means no oatmeal, no coffee, and like Snickers breakfast, you know, which sucks. So grabbing some extra water now and heading up to the campsite. All right, might as well. Ooh. I think there's some kind of biker related camping around here. I'm gonna check on the map, see exactly what that is, but some beautiful scenery out here. Whew, my legs are smoked, man. At 70 miles in for the day. Okay, everybody, that's gonna do it for day 27 on the GDMBR. I'm just south of Del Norte, Colorado, perched up here at the Burrow Creek Trailhead. I'm around 8,500 feet for elevations. I don't know, won't be as cold as last night, hopefully. There's a bit of a breeze coming up over the shoulder here, but yeah, already a fire ring here. I'm just gonna lay down right there. Hopefully it doesn't rain. And tonight is a special cowboy camp. This will be cowboy camp number 8, but this is also on the edge of the San Luis Valley, which is the darkest skies in Colorado, I believe. And it's also the area in Colorado that has the most UFO sightings. So I'm absolutely going to be staring at the sky tonight. Glad I filled up on water earlier. I actually have so much water I can't even filter yet. So I'm just gonna chug a bunch of water here. And for dinner tonight, it is ramen. I should definitely have enough water for oatmeal and coffee in the morning. But I think I'm gonna go for a 100-mile day tomorrow, possibly. I'm actually doing some of the highest peaks of the trip, Indiana Pass. I'm probably 10 miles below Indiana Pass right now, and that is 11,900. Then there's a few more 10,000 foot peaks. I don't think it should be too bad as far as the climbing goes. I think in about 60 miles I'll be able to hit New Mexico, which is super exciting for me. So that'll be my first New Mexico bike tour. It's great to check another state off the list as far as bicycle touring goes. So it'll be my second time into New Mexico and my first New Mexico bike tour, and super excited about that. Gonna get some dinner on. I'm just gonna hang out until it's dark, and then throw out my emergency blankets like a baked potato and go for cowboy camp number 8. But beautiful view tonight, looking down on, it's probably Del Norte down through the valley there. No, it's absolutely Del Norte down through the valley there, but you just kind of make out a couple little spots in the road. When the route changed from road to gravel, it immediately got very steep, and I was just out of gas for the day. 72.5 miles today. Starting to get a little chilly. Just gonna show you guys again the gravity drip on the Sawyer. And got it clipped on. Yeah, this C-Knock bladder is really awesome. I mean, you could really get on it. It's rubberized, so you can really force the water out of that filter. The bags that come with the Sawyer filter, I immediately discard those. I don't use them at all. Here comes a truck. I used them on the Colorado Trail, and the seams continuously were splitting. The C-Knock, that's been on 2 adventures now. It's got about 6,000 miles on that, and it's still cranking. But just showing you just kind of multitasking here at the campsite, and drying out some space blankets for the baked potato tonight. Cowboy 8. Morning, day 28. It's an early one. 6 a.m. start, everybody. Got the oatmeal going, got water on for coffee, and gonna get into Indiana Pass today. Ow! Flies are biting.